Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is a great day. We are going to do the Boxyluxe unboxing for March. I have been waiting on this box for a while now. So, let's get in here and see what we got. Those of you that don't know, Boxyluxe is a $49.99 a month subscription. This is how it comes when you open it. And the theme for this month is La Vie en Rose, which means life in pink. On the back tells you everything you got in your box and how much it retails for. So let's just start from on top. First thing I'm pulling out is a makeup bag. Although this makeup bag is exclusive to BoxyCharm. It's a BoxyCharm makeup bag. It's a rose gold color. It stinks. That's true with all new makeup bags. When you open it, inside it says BoxyCharm. And it's a pretty good size bag. Like I said, lots of chemical smells. But nonetheless, that'll be nice to take when you leave the house. Go on those off vacations for the weekend with your husband or wife. Okay, and that retails for $20. The next thing we got is the Faux Mink limited edition lashes from Lily Lashes. Now, I am not a lash person. I've given a swing at it. I'm not very good at it, so I gave up on it. And these retail for $24. Those will be going to my daughter, just for the simple fact that I can't use them. The next thing we have in here is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is a special coloring package for BoxyCharm. It usually comes in a much purplier color, and this retails for $34. I'm super excited about trying that. The next thing we have is the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. Now, this is one box that I did do the spoilers for. I tried not to do any of my other boxes this month, which has been very, very hard. But this one, I couldn't help myself. It's got a beautiful package when you open it. You can see all my lights. It's very difficult to open. Comes with the special brush. When you take it out, it makes a small spoolie on one end, the little angled brush on the other. There's double wrapping, which is totally a waste, nonetheless. And there's what that color looks like. They do look very dark. Oh. And it does feel very weird. Those are those colors. I'm sure if you do it easily, lighter shaded people, blondes, can make a look out of that. You just will probably have to slow down and really work for that. But nonetheless, that retails for $40. Which Iconic London is pretty expensive. There goes one of my dogs. As I have said, I am a dog mom. So, you're liable to hear that from time to time. Yay, I'm so super excited. The next thing we have is the Deborah Lippmann, O'Donna, and Modern Love nail polish. This retails for $20. I know that there was a variation. If you could get this one, which is the nail polish, or you got the cuticle oil and the buffer, file and buffer. This is the Modern Love color. It's a very cute color, kind of looks like the color I have on right now. And then this is the Oh Donna, which I don't know if my phone camera will pick that up. It's got little glitter flecks in it. It's a mauvey purple with speckles. If you get it, you'll understand the color. Okay, and like I said, that retailed for $20. The next thing we have is a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love Rouge. And we got ours in the color Poppy. These retail for $24. It's a very sleek design. There's the color. It's kind of a coral pink color. So that'll be nice for summer. Spring, summer. The next thing we have is the Moda powder and soft glow brushes. I'm super excited about these two. If you've watched my channel, you understand that I have a makeup brush addiction and it's bad. But everything this month is circled around pink, rose gold, pinky color. So why would the brushes not be any different? And the powder brush looks like this. It's a very cool handle and design. Bristles are very soft. And then we have the highlighter brush, which is very flimsy. Not real sure on these new highlighter brushes, but there's those brushes side by side, and I'm excited to have them. And these retail for $29.99. Now I don't know if I would pay $30 for two brushes, but it's nice to have them and not have to pay for them, per se. The next thing we have is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. This retails for $48. I like IT Cosmetics. I do a lot of their makeup, so getting one of their skin creams is nice. I do the Miracle Worker in a Jar, I believe by Philosophy. Oh, it smells good. It's very soft. It's not greasy, so I'm excited to have that and try something new for my face. And again, that's what it looks like out of the box. And it does smell really good. Okay. And then the next thing we have, there was a lot of controversy about this. You got a Morphe palette, the 15 color palette. I got mine in Happy Hour. I like Morphe. I have quite a few of their palettes. I just bought the 39A, I'm wanting to say. But I have the Frost palette, and I have the Artistry palette, and I have the Boss Mood palette. Oh, these are very pretty. It's got a big mirror. There's what the Happy Hour palette looks like. So, very natural, neutral colors. And I'm happy to have it. And that retails for $16. And that's the thing with Morphe. It's very affordable. The colors are great. They blend out. I like Morphe. And then the last thing we got was the Cover FX Perfecting Face Palette. This retails for $45. And I got mine in the medium deep color, which I don't know if that will work for me or not. But nonetheless, that's what I got. It looks really pretty. The little waves in it are very nice. I think I needed the light to medium, but this was the first time that BoxyCharm was actually going by our beauty quiz. So I don't think that they expected quite the overwhelming subscribers that they have. But nonetheless, I will try to make this work. I know when Joe was talking about this, they said that this was a BoxyCharm exclusive. Yet yesterday I just watched Toddy open the same face palette from CoverFX. CoverFX does some amazing products. They have some amazing products. So I'm a little bummed that I didn't get the light to medium, but it is what it is. And I'm not going to complain about it. I'm just going to see if I can make it work and go on with my life. And wait till next month's box, just like I do every month. If you get something you don't like, there is a BoxyCharm swap on Instagram. You can go look them up. And you can swap your products. Just be careful who you're swapping with, because there could be some people out there that are trustworthy, and then some people that just aren't going to follow through with what they said. And that's a given with anybody and anything. And then our makeup bag holds every single item that you got and still has some room. So I'm very excited about this month's Boxyluxe. I know the brushes, the peel off mask, and the CoverFX face palette were all in the normal BoxyCharm. And then you got a Ofra lipstick, which they picked out a beautiful color this month. It's very pretty. I was kind of upset that I didn't get that, but nonetheless, it's pretty. And then they got the Blooming mascara by Kadar, I believe, which is what we were supposed to get last month in our Allure box or our our Glossy box. One of the two was supposed to have that in there, and they had some supplying issues, so we ended up getting that small brown contour blush duo that, if you watch my faves and flops, you know that that was a major flop. And then the variation of that was a Appeal liquid eyeshadow, which I like Appeal. I have quite a few of their loose pigments, and they make some good products. So that's the end of my Boxyluxe for March 2019. Comment down below. Let me know if you got the Deborah Lippmann fingernail polish or if you got the cuticle oil. Let me know if you got the right color face palette. A lot of us really want to know if they really listened to our beauty quiz that they screamed at us to do. Obviously, they didn't do mine right, because I did my beauty quiz and I still ended up with the wrong color. But that's the end of my video. I appreciate you for coming and watching. Hope you have a great day. Hopefully hit that thumbs up, possibly subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.